Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here. Bit of an unusual one today. Cercidiphyllum Rotfuchs, also known as a Katsura or Toffee apple tree. Now normally these have green foliage, but this one is quite a rare, unusual variety with this purple leaf, which it retains all year. Come the autumn, you may be thinking, why is it called a toffee apple tree? This foliage will flush sort of a golden colour before it falls. Orange, amber sort of colours, really quite vibrant, quite a striking transition. And what you also get is a very sort of pungent aroma that smells like toffee apples. So it's a lovely fragrance. That's probably the best way of describing it. Maybe like candy floss or something. But this beautiful plant for the garden. You can grow it up to a small tree, maybe 3 meters tall, or just keep it compact as a shrub form. But Cercidiphyllum Rotfuchs, bit of a rarity, bit more unusual, something special. Thanks very much, I'll see you next time.